Cardano cost pretty equivalent to $0.6283 a coin incredibly. The present exchanged cost range. 0.5440, 0.6475, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close. 0.5457 in an unpretentious way. The change was plus 0.0826, plus 15.14% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate. United States dollars to ADA in a huge way. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, December 11. Cost $0.65, most extreme 0.70, in every way that really matters, least 0.60 in a very significant way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $0.65, fundamentally most extreme 0.70, least 0.60, or so they basically thought. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $0.69, most certainly greatest 0.74, lovely least 0.64, or so they basically thought. Cardano estimate on Thursday, December 14. Cost $0.72, exceptionally most extreme 0.77, in every practical sense, least 0.67, or so they really thought. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, December 15. Cost $0.74, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.79, least 0.69. And multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, December 18. Cost $0.74, certainly greatest 0.79, genuinely least 0.69, showing how Cardano cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.6283 a coin, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $0.77, really greatest 0.82, for the most part least 0.72 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $0.79, beautiful greatest 0.85, sort of least 0.73, which really is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, December 21. Cost $0.78, beautiful most extreme 0.83, certainly least 0.73, showing how in multi-week Cardano gauge on Monday, December 18. Cost $0.74, genuinely greatest 0.79, exceptionally least 0.69, exhibiting how Cardano value equivalent to $0.6283 a coin, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano conjecture on Friday, December 22. Cost $0.77, especially most extreme 0.82, sort of least 0.72, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, December 25. Cost $0.78, fundamentally greatest 0.83, least 0.73 in a huge way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $0.76, certainly greatest 0.81, really least 0.71, or so they most certainly thought. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $0.75, extremely greatest 0.80, for the most part least 0.70 in a quite large manner. Cardano gauge on Thursday, December 28. Cost $0.76, lovely most extreme 0.81, sort of least 0.71. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $0.76, most extreme 0.81, exceptionally least 0.71 in an all things considered, significant way. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, January 1. Cost $0.77, all things considered, greatest 0.82, truly least 0.72, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, January 2. Cost $0.81, beautiful greatest 0.87, genuinely least 0.75, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano figure on Wednesday, January 3. Cost $0.76, for the most part greatest 0.81, kind of least 0.71 incredibly. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, January 4. Cost $0.76, exceptionally greatest 0.81, beautiful least 0.71 in a significant way. Cardano conjecture on Friday, January 5. Cost $0.78, for the most part greatest 0.83, in every way that really matters, least 0.73, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In about a month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, January 8. Cost $0.80, exceptionally greatest 0.86, by and large least 0.74 in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $0.77, sort of most extreme 0.82, essentially least 0.72 in an especially huge way. United States dollars to ADA today. United States dollars to ADA conversion scale pretty equivalent to 1.5916 coins per $1, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today's reach 1.5444 1.8382 in a truly significant way. The past day's nearby 1.8325, which sort of is very huge. Change for now 0.2409, 13.15% dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, December 11. Cost 1.538 coins, really greatest 1.667, sort of least 1.429 in a kind of enormous manner. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 1.538 coins, genuinely most extreme 1.667, certainly least 1.429, so the past day's nearby 1.8325, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 1.449 coins, kind of greatest 1.563, least 1.351, exhibiting that Cardano gauge on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $0.79, especially most extreme 0.85, especially least 0.73, which sort of is very critical. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost 1.389 coins, truly greatest 1.493, least 1.299, truly further appearance, how Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, December 21. Cost $0.78, kind of most extreme 0.83, fundamentally least 0.73, showing how in multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, December 18. Cost $0.74, sort of most extreme 0.79, kind of least 0.69. Exhibiting how Cardano value kind of equivalent to $0.6283 a coin, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano figure on Friday, December 15. Cost 1.351 coins, most extreme 1.449, fundamentally least 1.266, which sort of is very critical. And multi-week United States dollars to ADA expectation on Monday, December 18. Cost 1.351 coins, in every way that really matters,